Hi, this is Nick from Snappa, and today I'll be showing you how to recreate the graphic that you see on the screen here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is navigate to your Backgrounds tab in the top left here. Once you're here, you can choose from an image background, you can choose from a pattern background, you can upload your own background, and you can choose from a color background. In this case, we're going to choose from the free stock photo library that we have. So I'll type in something that I want. In this case, I'll type in tent shoes. From here, I can select from a variety of different images that I want, so I'll click this one here. If I want to add some text onto this image, I'm actually going to go to the effects tab here. From here, I can adjust and darken the image a bit. I'm going to increase the saturation by about 6, and I will decrease the brightness by about 29, and I'll increase the contrast by about 53. Okay, so now that I have my background, I'm ready to add text. But before I add any subheadings, I'm going to navigate to the Shapes tab. I'm going to click and add a line. Once it appears on the canvas, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to use the anchor to rotate it. And I'm going to change the color of the line. And I'll decrease the size of the line to about 6 and increase the height of the line. And reposition it right into the middle. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is add text to the graphic. So I'll navigate to the text tab in the top left here. I'll click add a heading. From here I'll type in the text that I want. And I'll change the color from black to white. I'll increase the font size to 109. And I'm going to change the font style to the font style of choice. And I'll also right align the text and decrease the size of the text box. From here I'm going to reposition it to where I want it to be on the graphic. So before I add a subheading, I actually want this text here to align with the line in between the text. So I'm actually going to decrease the line height from 1.2 to 1. And once I reposition that into place, I'm going to increase the size of the line dividing by a bit more. Now for the last subheading, we're going to do the exact same thing. I'll navigate to the text tab. I'll add a subheading. I'll type in the subheading that I want. Once I have that, I'll change the color to the color of choice. I will change the font style to the font style of choice. And from here, I will increase the size. And I'm going to decrease the size of the text box while left aligning the text. And I'll decrease the line height from 1.2 to 1. Once I have that in place, I am going to reposition it to where I want it to be on the graphic. So that's it for today's episode of the Snappa design tutorial. If you're looking to create graphics within less than 5 minutes, head on over to snappa.com today.